Alright, so this is me starting my 1988 Pontiac Trans Am in minus 24 degrees Celsius Canadian winter. That will be minus 14 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit for our American friends. Again, that's minus 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let's check it out. Let's see how many tries before this baby starts. It's been snowing here since early October, and it's now January, so I've been pretty much driving the Trans Am during the entire snowy weather. Right, here we go. Oh yay, it started. Whew. And it wasn't plugged in at all. I mean, this car came from California and it came without any block heater, so it kind of groans for a minute or so before it settles down. The RPM usually lowers down to 600-700 RPMs per minute. It's all stock. The distributor, here's the RPM right there. I changed the distributor cap and the spark plugs and the wires. I put platinum spark plugs in, and I changed the rotor to cap and rotor. Yeah, there you go. I changed it. I figured it would need it to be able to survive in this super frigid temperatures. Also, the battery is new, so, and the alternator was replaced about a year ago. So I guess it's not too bad of a shape. So I'm gonna take you outside and see how it looks while I'm brushing the snow off the car. Super cool. Good. But considering how old this car is, it starts without a hitch. I mean, it wasn't even plugged in. I'm planning to change the oil again. I mean, changed the oil last November, and I put a synthetic blend in it. It snows a lot here in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, in the prairies. Super cool, guys. Yeah, that's how she looks. The RPMs. I usually like to wait until the RPMs get to under 1,000 RPMs before I drive away, especially when it's super cold. Since, you know, this is an old girl, I don't want to just start and drive her right away, even though I know she's got synthetic blend motor oil. You just can never know with, you know, older cars. Yeah, when I got this Trans Am for like $500, and somebody stole the stereo before I got it, so might get another one. The T-tops are cool, you know, I like the glass roof, but I mean, my car is never as cold as our solid roof family car for sure. You know, a lot of the heat escapes, I guess, from the top, so it never gets that warm. Okay, so it's starting to go, the RPMs are starting to go down now, so I'm just gonna put my gloves because it's super cold. I think my fingers are frozen. Wait, oh no, it's hard to turn off this camera when I have a glove on. So anyway, I'm gonna drive away. So there you go, things I did to my Trans Am, 1988 Pontiac Trans Am, so that it can survive the winter time is, of course, it has decent all-season tires. I don't have snow tires. I also put 3 sandbags, 40 pounds each. I put 2 on top of the rear tires and 1 in the trunk, so this is about 120 pounds worth of weight. Also, I always fill up my tank, especially when I know that there's a deep freeze coming. And I changed the spark plugs and the spark plug wires, and the cap and rotor, I changed them too. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So as you can see, the RPMs is pretty good now, and the engine has quieted down, so I'm gonna start driving. Thank you for watching my video, and have a great day. Bye.